All right, guys, so pumped about this. This is very exciting news for you guys out there, especially in North America, because we've never released these SoundSkins rings in North America, but we've actually come up with the new version 3. We think this is the best version we've ever created of these SoundSkins rings, and the reason for this is we wanted you guys in North America to have an alternative to some of the other products that are on the market, which use a open cell foam, which actually gets wet in your doors when you're actually doing speaker sealing like this. When you have a speaker enhancing kit that couples the foam from your speaker to your door, it was always a problem if you had an open cell foam, which a lot of the other competitors out there were using. Now, we didn't release SoundSkins version 2, the rings, in the United States because we were redesigning and creating version 3. So, previously, this was the version that I had worldwide. America never had that, but I'm going to go through and we're going to show you what we've actually improved in version 3. So let me just open this quickly, guys, and I'm going to run you through the new SoundSkins version 3 rings, okay? So, let's leave that here, there, and we're going to show you what you're going to get. So, now, a lot of you will notice, first up, it's obviously not in a ring, okay? So it's actually in a square box, and this is just because of the style of the design we wanted to do for you guys. These are going to be available on SoundSkinsGlobal.com for all you guys in North America and Australia. Again, these are in stock and available now. Prices will be listed on there on our website, so check that out. This is how they're going to come for all you guys out there that do multiple vehicles, or if you are in a workshop, they do come in a box of 12, and they are, like you can see there, a long single sheet, okay, or a long single box, and they're about 700 or 70 centimeters long, which is approximately, they're 690 millimeters, okay, so I think I've got the Imperial on here for you guys. The length of these is 27 inches, okay, and I'm going to discuss why that is once we get down to the dynamics of why you would actually use SoundSkins rings and how they're going to turn out, and why we created this new V3. We just wanted to add, again, more value to you guys out there that wanted an alternative to existing rings on the market that you found were a little bit inadequate or not quite so good, and we still wanted to keep the price and the value there for all you guys out there. So, introducing this new range. This is the previous version, as we were just quickly discussing. It used to come in a bag like this, and it was available in Australia and other parts of the world in a 6-inch ring kit, okay? So this was it here. It used to be these little rings where if you had a 6-inch speaker, you could put them on the face of the speaker and you could stack them up, and it would work as a coupling device for coupling your door speakers to the outer trim on your door so that you didn't lose any sound waves into the cavity of your door when you're firing on your speakers. So that basically would allow you to get the most sound into the cabin for your listening pleasure, okay, guys? So it would just improve that sound a fraction more. It's what all the professionals and the manufacturers have been doing for years, and whether you're using $50 speakers or $1,000 speakers, it's something that you really should be doing so you don't lose any of that sound. You want it all coming to your ears. Now, this is how it would work, okay? Previously, you would just put the ring around the edge, but we improved that design, and what we're actually going to be including now is these foam strips, okay? So now you're going to get 6 of these foam strips, and like I said, they're 27 inches long or 70 centimeters long, and that is for a specific reason as well, and I'm going to introduce and explain that right now. This is what it's for. You're going to take a strip, and it's going to allow you to go around the face of the speaker to actually build that out and seal it against your door. Now, I'm going to get a speaker that we haven't done already so I can show you. So this is just an example. Here we go, we have a speaker here. So that's what it would look like prior, and that's what it would look like after. And that would actually build it up. They're about 20 millimeters in thickness for you guys out there. If you want that in inches, they are 0.787 of an inch. And you can actually stack them as well, so you can actually make them a bit thicker if you want them thicker. You could potentially cut them down as well, but the cool thing about our material, it is a closed cell rubber foam, so it actually bounces and seals. You can see it here that it actually recovers. It's like a memory foam that you would get in, say, like your pillows and things like that. This is specifically used for this reason, but it is the same foam that is on our Pro material and the same foam we used for our previous series of rings. But we're just making it a little bit easier. Now, The reason we give you this, we give you 6 foam strips, and they're this long specifically so that you can do any size speaker. You don't have to be restricted to the 6-inch speaker or the different speaker sizes. We created this one kit to cover all size speakers, and basically it's still got a 3M double-sided tape on the back of it, so it's really high quality. And you just peel that tape off. So I'm making this look harder than it is. You peel that tape off and you can just lay it around the edge of your speaker quickly and easy, and then you just cut it with a set of scissors to the size that you need. So you can actually see it there, just layering around, and very simple and easy to do. So when that's sealed inside your door, that is going to reach out and couple and stop the sound wave from going into the cavity of the door. So very simple and easy to do. And like I said, it is available to do any size speaker. And the reason we did this length, this 27 inches, is because, let me quickly show you, if you were doing a 6x9 speaker, it's enough to go around and do a 6x9 speaker around the whole circumference of the outer edge, okay? So you can see it there, guys. It would go all the way around. You would just trim the edge of it then to the size that you need. Just use a piece of material scissors and you can seal it up, okay? And the cool thing about these new SoundSkins version 3 rings, that if you needed more distance or you wanted to seal anything, you can actually stack them and they double up, okay? And it's a double-sided tape that sticks to the smooth face of it very easily, okay? And it will stay on there. You can see there, it's sticking very well, okay? So you can stack them up. Now you're gonna get the six pieces, and we wanted to do this because a lot of cars will obviously have 2 or 4 doors or 2 or 4 speakers. So if you have 6 strips, it gives you enough material to do 2 sets of speaker, 4 speakers. And the extra 2 pieces, if you have any mid-range speakers or tweeters, you could actually do this around the tweeters when you're mounting those as well. So not only can you do your 6-inch driver, you can do your mid-range and your tweeter, or you could stack them up if you need the excess of range. So that's why we actually included 6 pieces in that kit. All right, so we're trying to make this as most affordable for you guys. And if you don't use it, like if you only use 2 of these strips, then you have more value. You got 4 more to do another vehicle if you need to do another vehicle, or you can give it to your friend, or if you're in a workshop, obviously you can use it on another vehicle. So you're not wasting any material anymore. We found that on our previous version, when we had these rings, if you didn't use some of the insides of it, it would actually get wasted, okay? So we're trying to cut down our wastage for you guys and actually improve the amount of use and value you get out of every single kit. We did include these little square sheets for you. These are just a little back baffle that you can actually mount behind your speaker, so that if you do have the standing back wave, it can actually hit this and disperse. You just actually put that behind your speaker, whether it be in a box that you created or inside the door. That is actually a double-sided tape that will actually stick in there, and we've purposely kept it in an eggshell shape so that it does reflect the sound wave and doesn't bounce it back into your speaker. It'll actually push the sound waves in different directions so it doesn't affect your sound on your speaker. Secondly to that, we actually kept it really thin because if you do put it inside your doors, the window is not going to wind down and it's going to hit on that, okay? So you don't want a really thick piece because it would actually hit on the ones that have the back outer shell of the door too close to the window. So we actually improved that for you guys. You can see here we actually did include 4 pieces of that, because if you are doing 4 speakers in 4 doors, you have enough material to do that. You have enough material in here to do 4 speakers, all in the one kit, guys. Very lightweight, closed cell, waterproof rubber. It is made out of a memory acoustic foam, and we actually just did these little cuts in the edges so that you could actually spin it around all the arc of the speakers without actually causing any crinkling on it, okay? So guys, we really took a little while to think that out for you guys. We just wanted to make something that was available with every size speaker combination that you wanted. We wanted you to be able to do multiple size speakers or multiple speakers up to 4 in one kit, and we wanted to release it everywhere in the world. It's the same for you guys. So that is now available worldwide, the SoundSkins Rings V3. We were promising them way back in April on our website. We overshot there and under-delivered on our delivery times, but hey, now we are in the end of July, so it's just launching now, the 1st of August 2019. It is available in North America and Australia and Canada, so Canada, United States, and around there. And I think we'll be in Mexico, and we have some European distributors coming on board as well, guys. So there is the entire range. If you didn't see the other videos on our YouTube channel, go to SoundSkinsGlobal.com, guys. Check out the new classic material, the new Bulk Pro Plus, if you want to see that. And I'm sure you will love our range. Hey, if you don't love it, let us know. Give me some feedback, and I'm more than happy to help you guys out if you do not love it. But I'm 100% sure you will love our materials.